Hey Sophie, it's Madam Sophie here again to do another tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a fall tutorial, but this time I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obesssions. I believe I did a review a few months back using the Smokey Obesssions eyeshadow palette. I was definitely shook by it, so I believe so I went ahead and I also got the Mauve Obesssions. I'm pretty sure that there are plenty of other tutorials. This palette costs less than $25. This palette costs less than $30 to be on the accurate side. I'll leave the price somewhere here, there, I'll leave the price up here for you, so please look out for that. I'll also have a link in the description box on where you can purchase this eyeshadow palette. Alright, so let me quit bragging. I'm just going to prime my eyes for the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be right back to show you how I'm going to apply these colors for my fall look. I'm going to start with this color. Okay guys, so this is my look using the Mauve Obesssions eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. I will be right back. I'm just gonna do some foundation and all the good stuff, and I'll be right back to let you guys know my take on this eyeshadow palette. I am done with this look. This is my final look using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obesssions eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette has a total of 9 colors, and the price will run from about, I want to say, $25 to $30. It wouldn't cost you more than $30. So this is my final look using this eyeshadow palette. This is a fall inspired look. I don't know if it's fallish enough for you guys, but this is my fall look. For foundation today, I went ahead and used the Big Skin Love foundation, and to set that foundation, I went ahead and used my Always Smart Shade loose powder. For concealer today, I went ahead and used the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Deep Sand. For highlighter today, I went ahead and used the new Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter, and I also combined that with the Makeup Revolution triple baked bronzer. In addition to that, I also went ahead and used the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte liquid lipstick in the color Sweet Masala. I believe I applied about, I want to say, 3 coats, and I also used a dark brown lip liner with that as well. In addition to that, what else did I use that I need to tell you guys about? For brows today, I went ahead and used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Thick Brow Pomade in Ebony as well as Soft Brown. And how are you guys loving this look? Let me do a quick close-up of the eye so you guys can see what the final look came out as. So this is the eye. I did not use any false lashes today. I went ahead and used a false lash effect mascara instead. So how are you guys loving this look? I really think this look is a bit different. I don't know if it's fall, if it reminds me of fall, but I just wanted to do a fall look that has more of a maroon or burgundy undertone to it. My recent fall look, I used more yellow, orangish and gold tone colors, so I just wanted to do something without gold as well as orange for fall. So this is how it is looking. How are you guys loving this look? How are you guys loving this look? Yay or nay? Let me just do a quick close-up. Okay, sweethearts, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the Madam Sophy channel, I welcome you. I hope that you like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell on your way out just so that you can be part of the Sophia squad. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for watching. I hope that you guys like this fall look. What do you guys think about this look? Is it fall enough for you? Would you rock this look for fall? Okay, let me know in the comment section. As you guys know, I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers. After every 250 until I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. The very first giveaway I'll be doing for my first 250 subscribers is this Too Faced White Peach palette. This is brand new, by the way. I've never used it before. So when I get to 250 subscribers, this will be up for a giveaway. I will be providing you guys with some details later on. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for your continuous support. Thank you for all that you do. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.